Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cleansing your hands and the skin where the patch will sit, because contact oils prevent adhesion. Once done, inspect the patch for damage and expiry, then carefully peel it from the backing. You place the curved edge following the lower lash line about 1/2 centimeter from the lashes, making sure the thicker end sits near the outer corner. Press gently to secure the adhesive so the patch won't move while you continue. You want to ensure full contact so the serum can penetrate. Smooth any lifted edges with a fingertip. Next, settle into a comfortable position and relax. Leave the patches on for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow active ingredients to work. While waiting, avoid facial movements and refrain from touching the patches, because movement reduces efficacy. If you need to multitask, lie back. Keeping your head still helps the patches maintain even pressure and better absorption. You remove the patches by lifting from the outer corner and peeling toward the inner corner slowly to prevent tugging. Once off, don't wipe away the leftover serum. Instead, pat and roll it into the skin so active ingredients remain effective. Then apply your regular moisturizer, and if daytime, a broad-spectrum SPF. If the area becomes red, itchy, or stings, stop using patches, rinse with cool water, and if symptoms persist, seek advice. That single troubleshooting step prevents worsening irritation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.